Here's a pair of the TOZO T10 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on your LG TV. Okay, so go to the home page and then you want to go to settings. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can tap on that. If not, go to the home page and then slide up to the gear icon. Oop, right there. Select OK, and then we're going to go select the settings again, so just click one more time. Okay, now from here we're going to go down one to sound, so go down, and then we're going to click on enter on the remote. Now we're going to go down to sound output. Currently it will come out of my TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these earbuds. So let's go ahead and select sound output. Now we're going to go down to use wireless speaker right there. Let's go ahead and select on that. We're going to select Bluetooth device. Let's select that. Now you see that little spinny thing down there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's hurry up and put these in pairing mode. Okay, take the earbuds out of the case. And as soon as you take it out, after you wait a few seconds, you'll know that it's in pairing mode if one of these is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. And then it would show up down there as well. But I'm not getting no light indicator. The reason why I'm not getting nothing because I'm connected to a different device. I'm actually connected to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus here, okay? So in order for me to put these in pairing modes, I can disconnect from the Bluetooth that is currently connected to the device, or I can reset these to put them in pairing mode, okay? But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and, you see the TOZOs are connected here. I can just disconnect from here, or I can basically turn off Bluetooth, or I can tap on the settings here, and I can disconnect, or I can unpair, basically delete it off the pairing list. If I do any of those three, these will still go into pairing mode. So let's just, I'll just turn it off, okay? As soon as I turn off Bluetooth, look at the earbuds here, okay, ready? I'll turn it off. What do you know? One of them, oh, there we go. Now one of them is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So now it's in pairing mode. So let's hurry up and go back to the TV here. I think the scan, we took too long to scan, okay? So we have to research it again. So let me go to search, and I'm gonna go ahead. So it's gonna search again for devices, and it's still in pairing mode. And there it is right there, TOZO T10. It pops up right there. I'm gonna select it. It says connecting, it says connected right there. And voila, there you go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't put it in a pairing mode or you couldn't connect for some reason, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area. Okay, good luck.